Are you ready to explore limitless entertainment options with your Apple TV? Unlocking IPTV secrets. You're about to transform the way you watch TV forever, expanding your channels beyond your imagination. First things first, head over to the TV app on your Apple TV. But there's a twist waiting. Gone are the limitations of merely local services. Let's unlock the door to global content access. Feeling excited? Wait until you see your new personalized lineup of channels from different countries. Next, go to the App Store and search for IPTV app. This is where magic truly begins. Choose an IPTV app that suits your preferences. Make sure it supports playlists like M3U files. Once installed, open the app and you'll find options to input IPTV credentials or M3U URLs. But here comes the secret sauce. Visit 2tv.store for a reliable IPTV provider tailored for Apple. With 2tv.store, you'll access sleek, high-quality service with no interruptions, leveling up your viewing. After purchasing the subscription, gather your credentials and input them into the app's settings. Believe it or not, you are just moments away from an exhilarating entertainment experience. Watch as channels roll in, offering you genres ranging from music videos to thrilling sports matches. Relish in the world of viewing variety, whether it's live broadcasts, streaming shows, or epic movies. Congratulations! You've unlocked a broader vision for your Apple TV thanks to IPTV Mastery. Ready to revolutionize your viewing pleasure? Visit 2tv.store now and start your journey with IPTV.